Hola, señor.
Hello.
Another week, another project. BMW X6 satin black. Let's see how this goes. We actually got a lot done yesterday on the BMW. I didn't really record it because I was really more in a work mood. Basically, once I was done around 11, just called it a day, and we'll get back at it today. And I'll film more of that and see how that goes.
Not this. Lo pequeño. Not this. Only lo que sale.
Okay.
Do it, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it to put this black. So it combines like all black.
So this is a project kind of before the quarantine. We worked on this car. We didn't finish everything, so now he's back. We're just finishing exactly how I wanted it. AMG style brake, chrome delete. Juan is doing that now. Look at that, no reaction, no reaction. Focused. The X6 looks the same. I got kicked out, but it's okay, we got sunlight today. See that? No jacket, no nothing. Like, what's going on right now? It's like, what? What you doing, Juan? What you working on?
Trying to put on my Mugen lip.
Oh, you got the decal. Look.
Listen, don't be worried about my body work. That's perfect. That's why I'm.
Oh, this is the JDM Sun. Like, it's like, you just need it to have like the red.
Yes. See if this sits right.
Does this help the VTEC O-bar?
It does actually, and every sticker adds 10 horsepower. It's not reaching over here though. Aquí no está llegando.
So I'm headed to try out a motorcycle that I want to see if I should get for this summer. It's not actually a motorcycle. It's actually just it's actually like one of the little ground bikes. So let's see if they're really that much fun. Okay, so I like the bike. I don't like the size. Too tall for this.
Next. Got this block lit today.
I think even this one is too small.
He did a thing today.
But I don't regret it.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
You bought a bike.
What you did?
I bought Porsche brakes all around. Fire.
Stupid.
Fire.
Porsche brakes all around.
It was too good,
Why?
bro. It was
You have them on?
It was a steal, bro. 1,500 for all four. I was gonna pay, and I got for 1,500 all four. I'm mad.
Tiene cuarto. Hey Willie.
Mad clothes, bro. You're the worst.
All right, car's on the lift. This side is prepped. We're gonna start wrapping this side. I'm gonna show you how to do that without taking anything but the door handles off. Well, I took the top piece too, but you know, I didn't take off the mirror. I didn't take off the window trims. You don't need to take apart a whole car, especially black on black. So we good there. All right, that's enough of that Beamer. Let's work on the silver Beamer. Now I gotta redo the clear on the fender and the door. We'll peel that off and show you what it looks like. All right, so it's Saturday, and part of what made the vlog fun, like the original vlog, was, you know, going out and seeing what's going on in, you know, Yonkers, New York, whatever. So this is making progress, but today let's just go out because it's like 75 degrees out, super hot, it's like summer, and see what's going on outside. Here you go.
Is that silver?
No, it's for here.
I've been waiting for this my whole life. Does it have a top layer or no?
You want the gloss one? I just grabbed whatever.
This isn't gloss? What? The deception! I thought it was gloss the whole time. Holy shit.
We can use the sunroof now!
We have sunroofs! Holy shit. How did this get here?
So who owns this?
We do.
Both of you. What do you guys, is this like custom shop? Like,
Yeah.
This is theirs.
basically it.
Yeah, like a personal shop.
But like for fun or like
Oh,
this
we'll make
is your
some
job?
money until- yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is his job, and then
My job, he
after
works
my
for
job,
free.
that I come
And
here
what's the
working.
actual name?
Raw Performance Garage.
Instagram?
RPG.
Instagram? What's the
Yeah, you got
Instagram?
it. It's Raw Performance.
Raw
right?
Performance Garage.
Raw
Yeah.
Performance Garage.
I'll type.
Look.
Look.
Damn!
There's a couple of ways you can get all-wheel drive. How'd you do it on this one?
S1 build trailing arms, and you do it yourself kit for the differential. Just weld in the
Is the
plates.
kit more than like just getting it off like a CRV or something?
Well, you still need the parts for the CRV. You still need the differential, the transmission, but just the actual plates to mount the differential and everything else.
And this thing, it runs already or just
No, not yet, not yet.
almost there?
Almost.
This shop is insane. Like I'm just surprised how clean it is. Like
Thank you. We'll actually clean it up little by little.
Like the walls are nice, like it's a nice display, you got the flags up, it's not like super dusty. Like I appreciate stuff like that because
LEDs.
I see a lot of shops like
Well, this shop was nothing here. It had no lights,
no
no
electrical
nothing.
whatsoever.
that's what's up. I like that.
Like,
It gets bright.
Yeah, in the light, you see the little.
and it holds up the temperature, huh?
Yeah, that's a high temp. Yeah.
High temp.
So because it's high temp, you can't have like every color, like lime green and stuff like that.
Okay, only certain temperature, like this
black,
certain-
green, red, blue,
Okay.
stuff like that.
I like that.
Man, that's a nice car over there. Mercedes.
Oh, the Mercedes. Holy shit.
Yeah, you heard it.
Boom! Factory.
Look, wait, it has no
Wait,
stick.
it's staying open?
It's staying open.
How the hell is it doing?
No, it's actually like,
What kind of dark magic is this?
it's because we tightened up these bolts over here. So now it kind of just holds its own weight.
Oh, I like that.
What the hell?
She wants one, man.
Oh my god, that was
I got that on.
Ooh, that was close. That was very close.
Look at that distance. Better put some locks on this.